guys, sasajabulu banani. Sika Pink Pearl Spa, we offer amazipho, your acrylic, your gel, your manicure, and then we also offer massages. We also have hot stones. We also offer pedicures. So we're here for you. Sine special ekade siloke sinibelesela ngaso esifisa ukuthi nifike nizosenza nize ngama group. We have a very big and awesome offer that we have for you guys. Kule special package yakhona, you're gonna get a 1 hour massage, you're gonna get your shampoo shampoo ones, and then you're gonna have a foot scrub and what else? Nabo kuningi nabo ukuthi nginiphekele kwakuningi ngiyakhohlwa, but nizojabula nizothokoza. I-package yokuqala, it's 2 people for 700. Uthola zonke lezi zinto nibabili ngo-700. For 4 people it's 1.4. Yes, it's 1.4, and for 6 people it's 2.1. Umuntu eyedwa u-350. You get your wine, you get your full platter, you get a pedicure, you get a 1 hour massage, and then nizogqoka amagawuni and take pictures. Ngiyayibona indawo yethu yihle kanjani. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. If you want to book for isikhala, you call or WhatsApp 063 026 0486 and 0846. Sorry, it's 063 026 0846. And then Sikwa Njomani's property number 2, Gase Holly. Yeah, thank you so much.